So I'm gonna give you a house tour of the house I'm gonna be being in for 3 days. 3. I know. Just for a wedding. Okay. Let's give you a house tour. So right now I'm in the living room. So it's just me. So we get the couches, TV. The kitchen, not too bad. I'll show you my room. And yeah, I will take you outside. So, this is Aunt Barbara's room. She's one of the people that are staying with us. Just kind of, you know, we're just lucky. I do too. I'm already using the record. I'm not that rich. Me and Leo's room. Not too fancy. Not too fancy. And then we'll take you into here, which is my mom and dad's and Fifi's room right there. AKA Lily. Bathroom. I'm gonna go to my bathroom. Outside.
Well, pull off at night during that instrument.
Oh, wow. This looks so...
Everybody else. It's not just me. You got Leo.
We'll be right behind you too.
Bro, I'm recording a video right now. The thing that I love is that we got a spa. It's so lucky. This backyard isn't too good. Oh, I need a light. I need a light.
Those has it, yeah.
Mom, can I have your phone?
Can you clean everything for us?
Bro. No, like. Oh, and I gotta show him how to hot spa.
Oh, this guy.
Said everything's getting yuckled again.
MJ, that will be ready.
It's in the bedroom. It's on the chair. I'll get you.
No,
Maddox.
it's not.
It's in the chair. If you go that door over there.
The charger,
That door over there.
and I have one right here.
That door over there. You open the chair and it's on it charging. You can go either way.
Can you show me?
That door right there.
How do you get in?
And you'll see it right there. Door
How do I get in?
Just open it.
Oh.
And shut it because there's mosquitoes on it.
Okay, I'm gonna show you this room. Oh, it's quite dark. Yo, get the light on. I'm kind of new to this place, so first time. TV, lucky. Let's go outside. Oh my god. I forgot to get the phone. God. Dude. Where's the phone? Okay, set you guys down. Okay. Yo, dude. Can you hold this for me? Leo, hold this. Leo, hold this. Hold this.
I'll hold it. What do you want me to hold? The computer?
Right this ball. No, hold this.
What?
Hold this. Okay, follow me. You follow me. You need to stay here.
Well, you don't want to get so wet. Your socks are gonna get out.
It's fine. It's fine. Dude. Okay. Papa. Not even, bro. Wrong way.
And this is like a big area.
No, dude, yeah. Okay. Put down the spot. Okay. Now I'll show you the spot. You'll get a better look. We now have light. The spot is probably my favorite part. Oh my god, like, you barely even see.
You need to shoot. Look at your feet
Okay.
are wet.
Oh, yo, bro, hold this.
Well, there's some cups up there. I have to come off.
Yo, look at this.
There you go. We don't have to
This
get
thing
off.
baby's nice. This baby's nice.
That's the direction.
Bro, why do they have spa rooms? We know
You
how
have
to
to
use
put
a
'em in the
spa.
Well, not tonight, but we'll do it tomorrow. Okay, your feet are going to be all wet. You're going to take those things.
Doesn't matter.
Okay, I'm going to turn this off.
Okay. Okay. That's kind of it. Anybody want to say anything?
Hello, MJ's fans. We love
Hey,
you. Thank
ooh.
you. Subscribe. Like us. We're going to follow.
You should do that.